Reviews best cruiser motorcycles for long-distance riding. Harley-Davidson Fat Boy 114. Good evening, and welcome to our show. Tonight, we're diving into the world of cruiser motorcycles, specifically those that excel in long-distance riding. While the Harley-Davidson Fat Boy 114 isn't traditionally categorized as a long-distance tourer, its powerful engine and comfortable riding position make it a surprisingly capable choice for extended journeys. Background and description. The Harley-Davidson Fat Boy 114 is a powerful and stylish cruiser motorcycle known for its bold design and muscular stance. It's powered by a 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine that delivers a smooth and torquey performance, perfect for highway cruising. Key features and benefits. Powerful engine. The Fat Boy 114's engine provides ample power and torque for effortless acceleration and highway cruising. Modern styling. The bike's iconic design, with its solid disc wheels and muscular stance, gives it a timeless appeal. Comfortable ergonomics. While not as relaxed as dedicated touring bikes, the Fat Boy 114 offers a comfortable riding position for shorter to medium distance rides. Customizable. The Fat Boy 114 can be customized with various accessories, including windshields, saddlebags, and luggage racks, to improve touring capabilities. Target audience and relevance. The Fat Boy 114 is ideal for riders who are looking for a stylish and powerful cruiser motorcycle. While it may not be the most comfortable option for extremely long-distance rides, its performance and style make it a great choice for weekend getaways and shorter touring trips. Expert reviews. The Fat Boy 114 has received positive reviews from both critics and riders. Many praise its powerful engine, stunning design, and comfortable ride. While it may not be a dedicated touring motorcycle, its versatility and performance make it a viable option for those who want to explore the open road. Comparison to other cruisers. Compared to other cruisers, the Fat Boy 114 stands out for its bold design and powerful engine. While it may not have the same level of touring comfort as dedicated touring models, its comfortable riding position and modern technology make it a suitable choice for shorter rides. Conclusion. The Harley-Davidson Fat Boy 114 is a stylish and powerful cruiser motorcycle that can handle long-distance rides with ease. While it may not be the most comfortable option for extended touring, its versatility, performance, and iconic design make it a great choice for riders who want to explore the open road. So, if you're looking for a stylish and powerful cruiser motorcycle, the Fat Boy 114 is definitely worth considering.